friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing to you a best easiest sandalwood face mask that helps to reduce your acne, dark circles problem and also get your skin brightening and tighten your skins. In this time we are totally busy schedule in our daily life that so much rush time we have spent in our official and schools sites. Actually we have not enough time to take care our skins properly. So here I am to come to you share you something about very easiest face mask that helps to reduce your skin's problems and also reduce your acne sites problem and get your skin brightening and tighten your skins as you want and as you need in your skins. So let's start. At first my ingredient is sandalwood powder and second ingredient is rose water. So friends, this is my two ingredients and I have not need to any kind of ingredients to use in this face mask. Just need these ingredients and use my face mask in apply on my skins. So let's start. At first I take sandalwood powder. If you have no sandalwood powder at your home, then please take Fuller's Earth, because Fuller's Earth and sandalwood powder is a similar product to helps your skins. Take sandalwood powder 2 tablespoons. And now add rose water. This time rose water is depend up to you, because how much you need or how much you want to liquidity and thickness in your face mask pack. So I take 2 tablespoons of rose water. If I want more, then I add rose water more. Just mix it. Now my face pack is totally ready to apply in my skin. See? Basically I need these types of thickness because I usually apply this type of thickness in my skin. So I don't want another drops of rose water. Now how to apply in this face mask on your skins, I tell you. At first wash your skins and then apply this face mask on your face, neck sides or other sides like your hands, legs and any kinds of sides that you want to brighten your skins. And then leave it 10 to 15 minutes to dry. In this time when it little bit dry, then wet your hands and just slowly massage your skins and then wash with cold water. When you massage your skins, then this time one kinds of your benefits of your skin. How? I will tell you. When you massage your skins, that time your blood circulation is properly maintained, because blood circulation is needed to maintain properly. And then when you massage your skins, then your skins have insidely brightened and softest and smooth. This face mask helps to reduce your acne spots, dark spots and dark spots, acne spots and also pimple spots and pimples problem and high pigmentations problem that you have, that reduce this face pack. And also this face pack has one kind of benefit, that's a brightening glowing tones in this of your skins. So friends, use this face pack daily basis, because this is so easy to make this. Apply it on a shower time or when you go to your bed, just apply it and leave it to dry and then wash it. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.